You hear that? That's the sound of a quiet baby, all thanks to this baby shusher. If you have a baby who cries a lot and you have to sit there and go shh, shh, shh to get him to calm down, then you need this baby shusher. This thing is amazing. There's a 15-minute timer, a 30-minute timer, and you can turn the sound up and down. It has been a lifesaver for me. My baby loves it when I make the shushing sound, and sometimes I just don't like to do it all the time. So this is perfect, and it has this little adjustable string right here so you can attach it to the stroller or whatever. It's battery operated, so you don't have to worry about charging it or anything like that. If you're a mom-to-be or you need a gift for a baby shower, then this is perfect. This is the ultimate mom hack.